Hey everyone, today I'm super excited to unbox and show you this tiny but insanely powerful device, the Spark One thermal camera. Don't let the size fool you. Once you hook it up to your smartphone, it instantly transforms into a pro-level thermal imaging tool. Portable, easy to use, and absolutely packed with features. Let's talk about some of the things that really impressed me. Spark One is designed to be super user-friendly. It comes with a flexible phone clip that supports both horizontal and vertical setups, so it's stable no matter how you hold it. Plus, there's a 1/4 screw mount at the bottom. Just pop it on a tripod for even steadier shots. It connects to your phone via Wi-Fi. Works with both iOS and Android. Open the app, tap Connect, and boom, you're ready to go. The whole process is super fast and buttery smooth. Packing a 256-192 thermal sensor, Spark One gives you incredibly accurate temperature readings. You'll see the maximum, minimum, and average temperatures at a glance, and it even highlights the hottest spot automatically. Perfect for checking electronics, HVAC systems, and more. Sometimes just looking at a thermal image isn't enough. That's where dual overlay mode comes in. It overlays the thermal view with the real-world scene, making it way easier to pinpoint exactly where the problem is. Super clutch in complex environments. Yep, you heard that right. Whether you're grilling steak or baking, you can quickly check if your food's cooked perfectly, inside and out. You get 18 color palettes and 4 imaging modes to choose from. I personally love the overlay mode. It shows both the real scene and the thermal image side by side, which makes it super intuitive for beginners. And for car enthusiasts, it's a lifesaver for spotting hidden cooling system issues. When you're dealing with a lot of heat sources, just using the default high-low temp readings can get confusing. With the area selection tool, you simply draw a box around the spot you care about and get ultra-precise readings just for that zone. Spark One is absolutely killer for spotting hidden electrical issues around your house or office. One thermal image can reveal way more than hundreds of single-point temperature readings. It's a full scene diagnostic at a glance. And here's where Spark One really blows traditional tools out of the water. If you're doing mechanical or electrical inspections, this thing is a game changer compared to old school single-point thermometers. It captures the whole scene in real time, lets you scan large areas fast, and spot hot spots in literally seconds. Total must-have. Here's another killer use case. Imagine you're stuck in thick smoke, fog, or complete darkness trying to find a critical item, even if it's tiny and jet black. With Spark One, just draw a search area, and within that zone, it will track temperature variations and help you locate your item almost instantly. Crazy useful. So to wrap it up, Spark One. not only helps you find hidden heat issues, but it also gives you a super smooth and crystal clear imaging experience with 256-192 resolution at 25 Hz refresh rate. Whether it's for home safety checks, car diagnostics, or equipment maintenance, it makes your work faster, easier, and way more accurate. And the best part? Way cheaper and better than other similar devices.